Hey, this is Rich from housebarons.com. My brother Dave and I and his son Caleb renovate houses. And today we're going to show you just how quick and easy it is to clean a Char-Broil 5-burner infrared gas grill. We made a previous video where we did a review of this grill and we show you all the detailed steps of how to clean it. But we got a few people saying, hey, you know, that looks like a hassle to clean. Does it take a long time? And so in today's video, we're going to do it in time lapse, but I'll have my stopwatch going and you'll be able to see just how fast it is for us to complete the entire procedure. Well, look how dirty this is right now. It's pretty filthy. And so this is going to take a little bit of scrubbing, but I know we're going to get it pretty clean in just a short time. The tools we're going to use are just a basic wire brush and a roll of paper towels. And then this very cool tool, which comes with the Char-Broil grill. This is what some people were asking about. They're like, oh wow, it looks like it'd be hard to get in there. But check this out. See, this tool slips right into the grids and the infrared grill grates. And so that's why we will be able to clean it pretty fast. All right, 3, 2, 1, here we go. All right, you can see this is quite clean right now. Look down in there and see it's pretty clean, so now we're just going to start putting it all back together. We're going to line these grids so they're right over the holes. And voila. Okay, so here we are. Well, my glove won't let me stop this. All right, so 7 minutes 17 seconds, and I probably wasn't even going as fast as I could have. So anyway, I would call this grill quite clean now, and my goal was to do it under 10 minutes. So like I said, I wasn't like going at any kind of frantic speed, and to do it under 7.5 minutes is, I think, a pretty cool deal. And the reason you would want to clean your grill is to prevent flare-ups, and ultimately it is a serious deal, because if you're cooking a lot of fatty meats like hamburger, your grill could actually catch on fire if you just completely neglect it. So it's always a great idea, especially, you know, if you're going to have a big cookout, just to give it a nice cleaning right before the cookout, so all your food is going to come out just perfect and you're not going to have any worry about a flare-up or anything. So I hope this helped. Thanks for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe, because we have a ton of home improvement videos coming out shortly, and be sure to check out this video.